To be healthy, make healthy changes to your lifestyle by exercising more, eating a balanced diet, and reducing stress. Aim to get in 150 minutes of moderate aerobic exercise per week, like walking, swimming, or riding your bike, or 75 minutes of vigorous aerobic exercise, like running, hiking, or playing sports. Also try to do strength training exercises for each of your muscle groups at least 2 times a week, like push-ups, squats, crunches, and weight exercises. Eat a balanced diet full of whole grains, vegetables, fruits, and lean proteins. Try to limit processed foods and foods that have a lot of salt and simple sugars. Do your best to get at least 8 hours of sleep every day too, since sleep helps improve blood circulation and reduces stress. Don't forget to do things that make you calm, like engaging in a hobby you enjoy, meditating, or doing yoga. Finally, don't feel like you have to change everything at once. Becoming healthier is a process, and even small steps at first can make a difference.